If you're here, you must be new to Mosaic Crochet. Woo woo! Hello hookers, crafters, and laymen, my name is Evelyn. Let's learn the basic stitches of Mosaic Crochet. Back loop only single crochet means you're working a single crochet into the back loop only of the next stitch. Let's see it. Looking at the top of my work, here is the front loop only, here is the back loop only. So all single crochets will be made into the back loop only. Put your hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the back loop only, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two. A front loop only double crochet means you're working a double crochet into the front loop only from 2 rows below. Another way to say that would be the double crochet is worked below the row you would normally work into. So normally when I'm looking at crochet, I'd work into this next stitch here. To do the front loop only double crochets, I'm going to work into the loop here, which is the front loop, the leftover loop from when you did a back loop only single crochet. This is the row I'm working on. This is the row below, so this is technically 2 rows below. I yarn over, I insert my hook into that loop. Notice that it's the same color as the color I'm currently working with. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch 2 rows below, which is a front loop that has no stitch worked into it. Insert your hook from the bottom up, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Here I've already done my border stitch and I've done my first front loop only double crochet. My front loop only double crochet will be worked into this loop. This is the front loop that was left over from when you did a back loop only single crochet in the last row. Yarn over like a regular double crochet. Insert your hook into that front loop only. I go from the bottom, push it up, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into that front loop only, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Moving on to some back loop only single crochets. Looking at the top of the work, I can see the front loop and the back loop. You'll be putting your hook only into the back loop. Insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook into that back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That's how you do front loop only double crochets and back loop only single crochets in Mosaic. If you're doing regular overlay mosaic crochet, then those are the only 2 stitches you'll need to know for that whole design of the blanket. You will also have to do border stitches at the beginning and the end, but in terms of stitches within that design, it's only those 2. 2 simple stitches can make such beautiful designs, and it looks way more complicated than just using those 2. If you're interested in learning how to do reversible overlay mosaic crochet, you can check out my tutorial for the negative stitch to learn how to make the back look like the front, just in inverse colors. Let me know if you have any more mosaic crochet questions down in the comments. Thanks for being here. Later, hookers.